Here's what we're making today: a miniature pot of lucky clovers, soft to the touch and handmade with pipe cleaners. Let's go through what you'll need. 6 green pipe cleaners, a hot glue gun, a hair straightener, pliers, scissors, curved scissors, a lighter, a ruler, a small pot. I used a little glass cup, some foam, and small decorative stones. Take out a green pipe cleaners. Start by measuring 1 centimeter, then fold. From there, measure 3 centimeters and fold again to form a point. Repeat this pattern 4 times to create a series of sharp corners. Once folded, twist each corner gently to times to keep it firm. Take the remaining tail ends and twist them together tightly to hold the shape in place. Now adjust each leaf so they're nicely spaced. This part is a bit like arranging petals. Take your time. Bend the tops of each leaf downward, then pinch inward slightly to form a little heart shape. And there's our first lucky leaf. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 leaves. This will give us a classic 4-leaf clover. Next, let's make a 3-leaf version. The method is exactly the same, just stop at 3 folds this time. I won't go over every step again, just follow the folding motions as shown and take your time. Do you believe in the luck of the clover? Tell me in the comments, which one do you prefer, 3-leaf or 4-leaf? Once all the leaves are ready, carefully use a hair straightener to flatten each one for a neat, finished look. Be extra careful with heat tools. Take it slow, no rushing when tiny hands are involved. After flattening, trim off any fuzzy bits from the base. and then refine the edges to really bring out that heart-shaped clover look. Now take a lighter and gently burn off any loose fibers on the edges. This step helps your leaves look cleaner and more defined. Repeat the process to make more clovers. I made 2 with 3 leaves and 4 with 4 leaves. Let's gather all the leaves now. Adjust the height slightly so they look more natural when placed together. If you're crafting along with me, how many clovers have you made so far? Let me know below. Take a small piece of foam and use hot glue to secure each clover. This will anchor everything in place. Now place the foam into your pot and fill it with some small stones for a more finished, garden-like look. And there you have it, a charming little pot of handmade lucky clovers. Perfect as a desk ornament or a small, thoughtful gift. Who would you give this little pot of luck to? Tag or mention someone who could use a little green happiness today.